What's up, Kaiser Cats? I'm Alejandro.
And I'm Brianna, and this is
Cat TV.
Hi, my name is Zack and I'm here with.
Hi, I'm Milana Rodriguez, the Vice President of Culinary.
And what are we going to be doing here today, Milana?
Today we're going to be cooking flame steak and I'm going to be teaching Zack how to cook.
But I don't know how to cook.
Okay, good job, Zack. Let's go to need a prep now. Since we're going to prep the meat, Zack has to put
I have to wear gloves now. Why are we zooming in on me putting gloves on?
Bro. We're gonna season the meat. So behind you is like a bunch of seasonings, so you could just choose what you want to season your meat with. So you grab the black pepper, you have to do it high, and then now we add our salt. Here,
Okay.
You want to do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
You have to do it from high.
The same thing?
Yeah.
Bro,
not
like...
too much though, not too much though.
Not too much? Oh wait, yeah.
It's supposed to be 145.
Okay. What? Oh my god. Wait.
Wow. Good job, Zack.
Thank you.
That is amazing, bro. Wow.
Is it actually?
Yeah, it looks amazing. Okay, now we have to wait until it rests. So we have to wait 5 minutes. Hold the knife right, so yeah. You're,
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then cut it diagonally.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. You better say it.
Do I like put the whole thing in?
No, you could just take a bite out of it. Okay, just do that. No, it's actually really good. If you want to join our club or just the class in general, come to G209 and talk to Ms. Corral, our culinary teacher.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, who am I here with? You're here with Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Abner Peñalosa. I am the battalion commander of the JROTC program here at Henry J. Kaiser.
How much of a big time commitment is training for competitions?
Raider team, especially for competition weeks, takes a lot of commitment and dedication, especially since we strive to be the best Raider team there is out there. First 2 days, we work out very intensely, and the last 3 days of the week, we do something we call rope bridge, so that way we can get the best time possible at competition.
What makes Raiders an enjoyable experience for cadets in it?
These guys are here stretching out, and a lot of them, I would say, they have a lot of fun in it, especially because most of their friends are in Raider team. And another thing, they do it from themselves. That way they can improve their mind and strengthen their body.
What motivates you and the cadets in Raiders to continue doing what you're doing?
My biggest motivation is making sure these cadets are in their best physical shape and they have the help that they need and also the guidance that they need. That's my motivation, and the motivation for them is for them to become better for themselves and for their team overall.
All right, thank you for the interview.
Of course.
My name is Jaden.
Hi, my name is Valeria. Hi, my name is Camila. Hi, my name is Kaylee.
We're all from Link Crew and we're gonna play What's in the Box.
Bro.
Okay.
A bag of rice. Sprinkles. A bag of rice.
Rice bag.
Does it move? Wait, does it move?
No.
Wait. Okay. Wait, why are your hands dirty? Why are your hands dirty?
I'm not looking.
Okay. Okay.
Cheddar popcorn.
Caramel popcorn. Caramel popcorn.
Cheddar popcorn. Oh.
Oh, what the heck is that?
I'm looking at Carlos. I'm trying.
Okay.
You did it.
Oh. Jaden, look away.
Green slime.
Slime.
Green
Put your
slime.
slime.
Careful, SpongeBob, careful. Alright. Don't be scared if it bites you.
If it bites you, it bites you, okay?
No, they're lying.
You're lying to me.
And I can't.
Alright.
If I put my hand... What is it?
It's one of the
His microphone right here.
I should know this. Why does it give me more anxiety, like being just looked away? Because we can't see Jaden's face.
Oh.
What is this?
So,
Okay.
Yeah, it has
It's like a slimy layer to it.
Why is it like...
Shade cream.
I actually need this.
Today we're taking a little behind the scenes with track, see how they get ready for the meets, what their practice is like. So like, you ever wondered how they get ready for those meets and all those crazy events they do? Well, go find out. All right, I'm here with our resident distance runner, Chris. You want to give us a little breakthrough on what an average distance day looks like for you guys?
So like an average distance day, we do our warm-ups and everything. Then we do like 5 400s just to get us ready as our speed work. And then we do like a 10-minute light run to get us back.
Is this all just like to prep for a meet?
Well, it's just like normal practice, but on meet days, we get ready for our like event. So we specify into each event.
That's good to know. It's really cool to know how the distance really gets ready for the meet.
Yeah.
All right, I'm here with Ricky and Evelyn. They're some of our shot put and discus stories here. You guys tell us a little bit of like the behind the scenes like practice or getting ready for a meet.
We stay focused all week, and then we throw a lot. We lift very hard in the weight room. There's days that we go easy and there's days that we go light.
Coach usually has us do a throw off right before competition, so he knows the 4 best throwers of the week. And yeah, like Ricky said, we just throw.
All right, would you guys be willing to like show us like your events, like shot put and discus?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Going in for a demonstration on shot put. Thank you, Ricky.
Hey Kaiser Cats, we're here with
Coach Eric.
What is the purpose of your club?
So the purpose of eSports Club is to give our students the opportunity to test their skills and compete with their fellow classmates. And essentially with this club, we want our students to move up to the varsity and JV team.
What kind of games do you play?
Currently, we have Marvel Rivals and Rocket League. We have varsity and JV teams for those two game titles, and we're hoping to get more titles approved.
Are there any specific requirements to join your club?
No requirements at all, just as long as you're respectful, love to have fun. Everyone's welcome. We meet on Mondays in H117 after school.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you for having me.
Make sure to subscribe to all of our socials for more updates.
Thank you for watching and catch you next time, Kaiser Cats.